while Butler awaits either Tennessee or Michigan State. College hockey, the East Regional Final at the Times Union Center. Cinderella RIT taking on New Hampshire. RIT has only had a Division I program for 5 years, and now they are going to the Frozen Four. Tyler Brenner scores twice, and RIT, the 4th seed out of 4 teams in Albany, rolls over UNH 6-2. The Rats on the road visiting the War Memorial in Syracuse, and it's the rookie who steals the show. Jack Dalpy, fresh off his senior year at Ohio State, records a hat trick against the Crunch. Dalpy is second-round pick by Carolina in 2008. He helps the Rats to a 5-2 win. Phantoms lose in Manchester. San Jose Cross battling Chile the Saints, welcoming Providence. Siena up 2 at halftime. Kyle Dexter scores the next 2 for Providence to tie it up. But the Saints get it done in the 4th quarter. They pull out an 11-9 win, and UAlbany is victorious for the first time this season, knocking off 19th-ranked Bucknell. Big Board Radio Sports back at you Monday morning at 9 a.m.